This is my current setup. Got a 1-to-1 current baling here. That's a 49-to-1, of course, for the end-fed half wave. And this runs across to the centerpiece of my backyard now, which is this 46-foot DX Engineering telescoping pole. It's actually the last 7-foot section of it's actually dropped in about 6 foot into the next piece down, because I was just playing and experimenting some, and I haven't put it all the way back up yet. But this is just a 4x4 treated post buried in concrete. She's set about 3.5 feet into the ground. And this post is telescoping mast is a gem right here. And as of course, to make sure she doesn't tilt or anything, this is a piece of 2-inch PVC electrical conduit split, and it's screwed to this 4x4 post, and then the mast is strapped into it, and that way it can't shift side to side. Anyway, currently this has got again a 66-foot long wire on it. You can see the end of it on that dog bone. Hopefully it shows up on the video right there. I can accommodate longer wires. I was just doing a little bit of experimentation with this smaller one here. Again, this goes over to this post. There is another post set over here, which I can run. Again, if I have to right angle it to fit the wire in, I can run from here to this post. But a lot of times on longer runs, depending on what kind of antenna I'm doing, between those two posts is a counterpoise. It's not the best setup in the world, having that counterpoise so close to the radiating element, but you got to do what you got to do. In this particular instance, on this setup here, that's my counterpoise coming off of here, and it's only 6 foot long, 6.5 foot actually, and it just runs out here to a tree on this empty lot next door for right now. Anyway, that's it.